Well, this is Dr. Rd Ste, president of your home team care, and I hope all of you are doing well. This month demarcates several important health-related awareness events, including National High Blood Pressure Education Month, as well as National Stroke Awareness Month. And one of the things we all know as physicians that high blood pressure usually leads to stroke. So what we're going to talk about today is some of the causes of high blood pressure, some of the ways you can prevent high blood pressure, and then some of the signs and symptoms of stroke. So I'll begin this by saying the greatest wealth is having 1, a healthy body, 2, a peaceful mind, and 3, and the right people in your life. And that's a famous life skills development quote. And that is very important because we'll get into how you prevent high blood pressure in a minute. But anyway, some of the causes of high blood pressure are familial, that is genetics you can have the predisposition to. Idiopathic means there's really no cause, no one else in the family had it. But things that obviously lead to that are people that are obese or overweight, certain kinds of diseases such as diabetes, stress-related events, having jobs that are very stressful. And so those are 5 ways that you set the path for having high blood pressure. Now, some of the ways you prevent high blood pressure from occurring is what we're alluding to, is an old song by Jimmy Buffett, who once said, if we couldn't laugh, we'd all be a little crazy. And if we weren't all a little crazy, we'd go insane. So the point about that is laughter is one of the greatest reliefs of not having high blood pressure. It does so many things to your physiological body, lowering blood pressure and all, slowing heart rate down. So laughter is a very important thing. Taking deep breaths, just sitting back and taking three deep breaths every 3 to 4 hours not only helps your blood pressure, controls your mind, but it also gives you just a release from stress. Thinking about something great in your life, something that makes you peaceful, being at the beach, the sounds of waves, looking at birds, being in nature, all these things suddenly lower your blood pressure. So sometimes removing yourself from a stressful position, maybe at your office, walking outside, taking deep breaths. And we all know, obviously, things that we've all seen in life, being obese, eating sugar, having a lot of salt retention, those things lead to dramatic blood pressure increases. So some of the basic, just common sense things, not eating as much red meat, being more of a vegetarian, enjoying fruit, cereals, just simple things, and doing the logical things, weighing. You need to weigh to make sure you're not gaining a lot of weight. So these kinds of simple things we not sometimes go back to think to are important in keeping your blood pressure down. So basically, once again, you need to have regular checkups. A person over 40 should at least have 1 regular checkup every year. And always remember, be peaceful at mind. Surround yourself with folks that care for you, and you ought to care for them. And finally, laughter is one of the biggest solutions to preventing high blood pressure.